Hey guys, Alex Chadwick here. Today we'll be bringing an airsoft bomb or a vinegar bomb. All you'll need is vinegar, any type of vinegar, baking soda, and an empty water bottle, and toilet paper. And all you have to do is pour in vinegar inside the empty water bottle as demonstrated. So shaky. Halfway in, and then halfway in, and then now you pour the baking soda onto the end of the toilet paper, just a little bit, not that, just that much, and you'll see how demonstrated. Roll it up. You just roll it till the end. See, you roll it up like that. Keep it like that. What you'll do now is put it in and close the tap, and then from there it's in there. Shake it up. It's gonna get all fuzzy and crap. Hopefully it doesn't shoot me. Now we will pretty much blow it off. Sorry we didn't put any BBs in there. All you have to do is just pour the BBs in there, and then from there it's just the bomb, BB bomb, airsoft bomb. Shake it up. Hopefully this works.
We're gonna launch it in 3, 2, 1, fire in the hole.
That's the first time it'll work.
And that's how you make a vinegar bomb. And so we're out.